Welcome back to the Brilliant Community YouTube channel. My name is Alexander Javier Kari. Today we're going to be learning about basic addition. Addition is one of the most fundamental operations in math. It means putting things together to get the total or sum. For example, if you have 2 apples and you get 3 more apples, how many apples would you have? Let's start off with some single digit numbers. We'll start off with 4 plus 3. First, start with 4. Then count 3 more. 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Let's try another one. 5 plus 2. Start with 5, then count 2 more. 6, 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Addition is something we use in everyday life. For example, if you have 1 t-shirt and buy 2 more, you now have 3 t-shirts. Imagine you have 2 books and you borrow 3 more from the library. Now you have 2 plus 3 equals 5 books. Addition helps us find out the total when we add things together. Next time, we're going to be learning about basic subtraction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math videos. Peace out.